In Africa, by a river, two crocodiles talked. One is enormous, the other not so much.
Today, I want a tasty child for lunch.
I don't eat children.
You don't know what you are missing.
You are a sweet tooth.
I am brave. I will disguise myself.
The crocodile laughed, showing his teeth, and he swam out of the river. He found Humpy Rumpy, the giant eagle.
Where are you going?
I have secret plans and smart tricks. I will fill my tummy with something soft.
What can be that soft?
Something with 2 legs.
You are going to eat a child? You are evil. I hope someone finds you and makes crocodile soup.
The crocodile kept walking and found Trunky, the elephant. He bit his leg.
Ow! Who did this? Was it you, crocodile? What are you doing here? A tasty child. I am going to eat. Evil animal.
The enormous crocodile disappeared, laughing into the jungle. He found Mango Lump.
What are you doing? Do you want some nuts?
I am going to eat something better, with toes, legs and feet, clothes and all.
You are going to eat a child? Evil crocodile. I hope you choke on the buttons and straps.
Later on, the enormous crocodile found Holly Polly Bird.
What are you doing here in the jungle?
I am going to eat something delicious.
Cherries. They are delicious.
Crocodiles don't eat cherries. They eat children and sometimes birds.
The enormous crocodile threw himself at the bird and he almost caught him. He arrived at the coconut park. He knew the children visited the park looking for coconuts. He disguised himself as a coconut tree and waited. Toto and Maria showed up.
Look at all the coconuts, Maria.
The enormous crocodile was drooling. A huge noise is heard. It is Humpy Rumpy, the hippo, furious.
Watch out, Toto. Be careful, Maria. That is a crocodile that wants to eat you.
Humpy Rumpy bit the enormous crocodile. The children ran. The enormous crocodile decided to go to the kids' playground. There are many children there, he thought.
It's time for trick number 2.
He found a log and placed himself on top of it, like he was a seesaw. The children left school and headed for the playground.
Look, we have a new seesaw. I want to go first.
This seesaw is very strange.
Megalump started screaming.
Run, run! It's a crocodile that wants to eat you.
The children ran away. The crocodile was alone again. He started to get very angry. He decided to go to an amusement park.
It's time for trick number 3. Ha 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 ha.
He climbed a carousel and pretended to be one of the animals. He stood still. Meanwhile, some children arrived.
I will go on the dragon.
I will go on the lion.
Well, I will go on that funny crocodile.
Suddenly, the roly-poly bird appeared flying.
Be careful! Run! It's a crocodile and he wants to eat you.
The children ran away.
I'm so hungry! Now I'll eat 6 children.
The enormous crocodile headed for the picnic part and pretended to be a bench. The children arrived for their snacks.
Let's sit down and eat.
Suddenly,
Go back, children. That is not a bench. It's a crocodile and he wants to eat you.
Trunky held the crocodile by the tail and started spinning him.
Let me go! Let me go! No, you are not going to hurt anyone.
He spun and spun faster and faster. Suddenly, Trunky let him go on the enormous crocodile headed for the sky like a rocket. He was going so fast that he passed the moon and stars. Such was the speed that he banged his head in the sun and ended up like a fried sausage.